Most people want to change their life. Better habits, more control, more progress. But most people never change. Not because they are lazy, not because they lack talent. They fail because they follow motivation instead of systems. This video is not here to inspire you. It is here to give you a clear, step-by-step method. No hype, no pressure, only structure. Follow every step in order. If you skip steps, nothing will change. Wake up earlier, work harder, stay consistent. Information is not the problem. The problem is execution. Most people depend on feelings. When they feel motivated, they act. When they don't, they stop. Life does not change with emotions. Life changes with repeatable actions. Motivation is unstable. Systems are stable. If your progress depends on how you feel today, you will always stay average. This is why motivation fails. This is why discipline feels hard. This is why people quit. The solution is not more motivation. The solution is structure. The biggest mistake people make is this: I want to change my life. This goal is too big. Your brain avoids it. When a task feels overwhelming, the brain chooses comfort. You must reduce the scope. Pick one area only. Not money, health, focus, discipline, all at once. Just one. Examples: daily routine, focus and distraction, skill building, physical health. One area, one priority. If a house is damaged, you repair one room first. Trying to fix everything leads to paralysis. Fixing one thing creates momentum. Clarity creates action. Your life does not change through goals. It changes through daily behavior. A system is a set of actions you repeat daily without thinking. Your system must be simple, boring, easy to repeat. If it requires motivation, it will fail. Example system: wake up at the same time. 30 minutes, focused work or learning. 10 minutes planning. Phone away during work. That is enough. No extreme routines, no perfect days, no dramatic changes. Consistency matters more than intensity. A weak system followed daily beats a strong system followed rarely. Design your life for repetition, not excitement. Most people try to add good habits while keeping bad ones. This never works. Before adding anything, remove one problem. Ask one question: what wastes most of my time every day? Usually the answer is phone usage, random scrolling, late nights, constant notifications. Pick one. Examples: no phone for the first hour, phone outside the bedroom, social media only after work. Removing distraction is easier than forcing discipline. You do not need stronger willpower. You need a cleaner environment. Control the environment. Discipline becomes automatic. Actions follow identity. If you see yourself as inconsistent, you will act inconsistent. If you see yourself as disciplined, you will act disciplined. Stop saying, "I am trying to change." Start saying, "I am the kind of person who finishes what he starts." Every small action is proof of identity. Miss one day? Continue. Fail once? Continue. Lose momentum? Continue. Consistency is not perfection. Consistency is continuation. Winners are not special. They simply do not stop. Most people destroy progress by judging themselves. I failed. I am useless. I can't change. This creates emotional fatigue. Replace judgment with tracking. Every night, answer one question: did I follow my system today? Yes or no? Nothing else. No emotions, no self-talk, only data. Tracking creates awareness. Awareness creates correction. You do not need motivation. You need visibility. Days 1 to 7. No visible change. Doubt appears. Days 8 to 15. Slight control. Small confidence. Days 16 to 30. Routine stabilizes. Identity begins to shift. Most people quit before day 10. Not because the system fails, because results are silent at first. Change is invisible before it becomes obvious. Trust the process. Your life will not change today, but it will change if you repeat simple actions daily. Most people will watch this video and return to comfort. If you do not want to be one of them, act differently. This channel is not for entertainment. It is for structure, discipline, execution. Subscribe to AI Selfcraft if you are done consuming and ready to build. Your life changes when your systems change.